Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're back on the one and only Guess XXXR2 and we are gonna play Shouting Simulator. This is my second video doing it. So yeah, last video I showed you if you wanna if you're playing hide and seek on this game, you can hide right over here or over there. Well, I didn't show you those over there, but maybe next video end up there. Okay. So yeah. So this is my shout right now. Maybe take your hat, sir. So I like this one, and it gives 63,000 or 64,000 SP. It's really funny. So let me show you how to you get on this thingy. And last video, when I was playing this yesterday, I actually went over here and then someone flinged me into the wall and then it glitched through the wall, but I got out from these doors down here. So yeah, let's show you how to get on here. You climb up there and then go like and then jump right here or somewhere. So yeah. You need a Pacific speed to do this. So let me just climb up this. I keep on spamming jump space, which is jump 2. I don't know how that kid went up there, but okay. So you just there. It's easy for me because I have Pacific speed. And right when you get on this edge, you jump like this. Well, maybe not, because actually I didn't jump. I just ran. Ugh. And they added a rebirth Randall. So yeah. Now I'm try to see. I was so close from not making it, but you can do it. So yeah. And so yeah, so that was how you got on that, and this is how you rebirth. You just go next to him, then press yes if you want to rebirth. If you don't, just say yes. Um, sure, rebirth. Um, I clicked it. Rebirth. Oh my! I hate these. I stopped this. Making noise for me. I would just exit out of that. Yeah, I just exited. Oh hi Yaz. A lot of people making those sounds. So let's get some clip to shout. I'm gonna get up here. Oh wait, I forgot. And it's hard to go on this and then jump on it because you don't go high enough. Just saying, so you can't use these. I tried to do it and it just hit right here. So yeah. And it really hurt. So and It's my second time playing this, and I want to see what's upstairs here. And was Rebirth Randall there? Oh, just this girl dabbing. Oh wait, there's a third floor. Oh, what do you press this? Of course, everybody knows this is a shark. Duh. So don't put that sign there. I wish we could just jump out the window. Can we? Can we glitch through it? No, we can't. I thought I could make it. Ah! So, hope you like this video, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite Roblox video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!